Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you a tutorial on how you can hide your number on your Android phone, or how you can turn off the caller ID when you call someone on your phone. So let's say you want to show as anonymous or as a private number when you are calling someone because you don't want to show your number or your ID. So this is what you are going to do on an Android phone. First, you can just go to the device call settings. You can just do it by clicking on this call button on your phone or on your phone home screen, and then you can just tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner and tap on the call settings. Okay, so this is the call settings on my phone, and if you want to find the caller ID, you can just scroll down until you find this SIM card section, and there will be this caller ID setting. So just tap on that. So in here you can set whether to show your phone number to the callee or not, and here you can just choose to hide it by clicking on this caller ID. And here there you can see three options: network default, hide number, or show number. Of course, if you want to hide your number, you can just choose the hide number options. Now it will updating the settings, and you can see my number will be hidden in outgoing calls. So when the callee don't save my number, they won't see my ID, or my phone number also will be hidden. But if you cannot seem to find this feature on your Android phone, you can also hide your number when calling from your Android device by using the code 67. So you can dial 67 before the number you want to call to block your caller ID. For example, you can type in 67 and then 12345, or your the phone number that you want to call. Or you can also use a VoIP service, for example, if you want to hide your number. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can hide your phone number on Android phone, or that's how you can call as hidden or private number on an Android phone. I hope this Android tutorial will be helpful for you. So if you think so, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon. But if you have any question, you can also leave a comment down below. And also subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the thanks button. Bye.